If you have been struggling to connect your TikTok account to your TikTok Ads Manager account, you are not alone, alright? And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that so that you can start using it to run ads right away, right? Now, the first thing to do is to come to ads.tiktok.com, alright? On your home screen, select your right ad account, alright? That you want to link your TikTok to, alright? Now it's going to take you to a windows like this, alright? All you have to do is to come down here, bring your mouse at the top of your screen here, right? So bring your mouse here to this. Now come here, you're going to see your profile icon right at the top like this. So once immediately I take my mouse towards it, it's going to bring out pop-up menu. So look at it. I just point it and it's going to bring out this menu here, right? All I have to do is to click on my profile, right? My ad account profile, which is this one. I'll click on it, and then on these three dots arrow here, I will click on it. I will click on user settings, right? This user settings, I will click on it, right? So that I can connect my TikTok account right now. So it's now going to show me these windows, right? As you can see, you can even add your phone number and all that. So now click on this link TikTok account. So I'll click on link it. I'm not going to first of all, it is going to ask me to verify my email. So I'm just going to do that right away. Right, so I'm just going to I'm just going to enter my OTP now. All right, so I'll click on confirm. My TikTok Ads Manager account is now going to prompt me to log in my TikTok account, which is my normal TikTok account. And if I do this, I will not be able to use my TikTok Ads Manager to run my ads in a professional level, whereby I can just pick any video I've posted on my normal TikTok. I mean my normal TikTok like this, right? My normal TikTok like this. I can just pick any videos I've posted before now and just probably use it to run ads too, right? And it's also going to serve as an identity when I'm running ads on my ads manager, so that when anybody click on my maybe I'm running ads and anybody click on my profile, is going to take them to my normal TikTok ad account, right? So that's why it's important to link your normal TikTok to your TikTok ad manager, right? So to do it, I'll just click on use phone, email or password, all right? I'll just click on, yeah, you can use whatever is comfortable with you. You can use your phone to log in, QR code. So I'm just going to log in with QR code instead, right? So I'll just click on this, use QR code, but you can decide to log in with your password, email address, phone number. So I'm just going to use QR code to log in so that it's going to be easy for me. I've actually forgot my password. So I'm just going to scan the code now. Like I said, you can use your phone number or your email address to log in. So I just use my camera app to scan the code on my screen, right? And it said that I should confirm my login. So it's confirmed now. It's still logged in, all right? You can see, it's now going to show me this. TikTok for business want to access your TikTok account. Access your profile, read access, just allow these things here. Then click on continue, right? Click on continue. All right, now you can see we have successfully linked our TikTok ad account to our normal TikTok profile, right? And we can now start using it to run ads right away, right? So it's going to show this authorized TikTok for business to access the TikTok account. God bless you, boy. And you can access more advertising features such as native ads. So just click on authorize now, right? Click on continue. We are good to go, right? Look at it, it's showing here now. God bless you, boy. That means we have linked our TikTok account successfully, and we can now start using it to run ads right away. So when you are creating your ad, you're not going to bother about how to link your account, all right? So I trust you have find value in this video, right? And if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is God bless you, boy. I teach how you can run profitable Facebook and Instagram ads, and also how you can run profitable TikTok ads this year, right? So I'm a media buyer. I've run ads for almost any industry you can think of, right? So whatever I teach here is from real life practical. So if you really want to learn social media marketing this year, make on the bell below this video to subscribe to this channel right now, because I post videos like this every single week that's going to take your social media marketing to the next level, right? And I guarantee you, if you watch more videos in this channel, you're going to become a beast when it comes to running social media adverts, right? That is one thing I can guarantee you. So I hope you have done that. Subscribe now, and if you want to learn exactly how you can start creating ads after you have linked your account, make payments and all that, you can now click on this video right here to learn how you can run TikTok ad, right?